Hello everybody, Papa Blue Shirt. I'm gonna go on my ride today. The wind's about 18 miles an hour, so it's gonna be a windy day. And got my thick coat on, so hopefully I won't get too cold. Depending on which way the wind's blowing, I might go by and see how the rebuilding's going after the tornado. So we'll see if I'm able to go that way. If not, then I'll just go for a little ride and come back. Alrighty. Yeah, it's been a while since I've been over here where the tornado was. And so thought I'd go over here and take a look and see how they're recovering. Yeah, this is about a mile from the impact zone. You can see it goes everywhere. Looks like they got the vast majority out of the woods here. Probably all the Amish got together and built. Written on the window up there. You can see it. John 3:16. The propane tank. You can see that on the window there. Right here. Right there. John 3:16. Even with the loss of everything that they had, they still look to Jesus. Oh man, it's an emotional thing. Oh. Looks like they're gonna rebuild. That's so cool that they got it all built back. But yeah, that's real heartwarming that they were able to get it all built back. It wasn't that long ago. It's only been like a week or two ago, I think, since I've been through here. So, wow, it's encouraging. I bet you they'll be happy to get back in there. Probably be scared every time a storm comes, but already. Well, went exactly 14 miles a day. 229, add 62.50 on that. And that's what I got. Well, thanks for riding with me today. It's nice to see that house getting rebuilt, and hopefully they can get their lives back to normal. All right, this is Papa Blue Shirt. Thanks for watching. And may the good Lord take a liking to you. You chose party. Yeah.